Hello, my dear friend. I am Grandpa Joe. Welcome. It is good to have you here. I am so glad you came. The day is over now. It was a long day, maybe. A busy day, maybe. But it is finished now. You did enough today. You did well. And now it is time to rest. So please get comfortable. Lie down or sit back in a soft chair. Let your arms rest. Let your legs rest. Put down your phone soon. There is nothing to do now. Nothing to fix. Nothing to worry about. Tonight, we will not study hard. Tonight, we will only relax, slowly and softly. I will speak with easy words. Just listen. Just breathe. Let my voice be gentle, like a warm blanket over you. Let it carry the day away. Are you comfortable? Good. Then let us begin, very slowly, very gently. First, let us breathe. Breathing is easy. Breathing is calm. You do it all day without a thought. But now, let us do it slowly. Let us do it with care. Let us breathe in, slowly, through the nose. In, 2, 3. Feel the air come in, cool and soft. Feel it fill your chest. And now, let it go. Breathe out, slowly through the mouth. Out, 2, 3. Feel the air go away. Warm and slow. Good. Let us do it again. Breathe in, slow and deep. Fill your chest gently. And breathe out, slow and long. Let it all go. In and out. In and out. Do not rush. There is no hurry here. Just breathe with me, slow and soft. With every breath out, you feel a little more calm, a little more heavy, a little more sleepy. That is good. That is very good. Now, let us relax the body, slowly, part by part from the top to the toes. There is no hurry. Let us start at the top. Think of your head. Let your head be soft on the pillow. Let it be heavy. Let the pillow hold it. Now, your face. Let your face be soft. Let your eyes rest. Let your cheeks rest. Let your mouth rest. No smile now. No frown now. Just soft and still. Now, your shoulders. Ah, the shoulders. We hold so much here. Let them drop. Let them fall down, away from your ears, down and soft. Let the day fall off your shoulders. Feel them grow light. Soft shoulders, calm shoulders. Breathe in, and as you breathe out, let your shoulders melt. Down and rest. Now, let us relax the arms. Think of your arms. Let them be heavy. Let them rest by your side. Feel them grow warm and soft. Your arms are soft now, warm now, heavy now. Now, your hands. Think of your hands. Open your hands a little. Let the fingers be soft, not tight, not closed. Just open and calm and still. Let your hands rest. Let them be as soft as sleep. Now, think of your chest. It goes up slowly when you breathe in, and it goes down slowly when you breathe out. Up and down, like soft, slow waves. Just watch it. Just feel it. You do not need to change it. Only breathe. Slow and easy. In and out. Your body is growing calm now. Heavy and warm and calm. Now, let us relax the rest of the body. Let your back rest on the bed. Feel the bed hold you. It is soft. It is safe. You do not need to hold yourself up. Not now. The bed holds you now. Let go. Let it all go. Now, think of your legs, long and heavy. Let them rest. Let them sink down into the bed. Soft legs, calm legs, heavy legs. And now, your feet. Way down at the end. Let your feet be still. Let your toes be soft. Let them rest, warm and calm. Good. Your whole body is resting now, from your head to your feet, all soft, all heavy, all calm. Nothing to hold, nothing to do. Just rest and breathe, slow and gentle, in and out. Now, let us think of a calm place, a safe place, a place just for you. It can be a real place, or it can be a dream place. It does not matter. Maybe it is a quiet beach. The sea is soft. The waves come in slowly. Shh, shh, shh. The sand is warm under your feet. The sun is gentle on your face. Or maybe your calm place is a green field, soft grass, a big blue sky, a light warm wind, birds singing far away. Or maybe your calm place is a small warm room, a soft bed, a gentle light, a cup of tea, a good book. You choose. Choose your calm place. See it in your mind. See the soft colors. Feel the calm air. You are there now. It is quiet there. It is safe there. And you feel peaceful and warm and calm. Stay in your calm place for a moment. Look around slowly. It is beautiful here. It is quiet here. No noise, no hurry, no worry. No phone, no clock. Nobody needs anything from you here. Here you have time. All the time in the world. Here you can rest. Breathe in the calm air of this place. In, slow, and out, slow. Feel how good it is. Feel how safe it is. This place is always here for you. Anytime you feel tired, anytime you feel worried, you can come here. You can close your eyes and breathe and come to your calm place. It is yours, only yours. Remember it. Keep it close. And now, rest here a little longer, soft and safe and calm. Now, slowly, let us come back. But stay soft, stay calm. You do not need to open your eyes. There is no rush at all. Just feel your body again. Feel the bed beneath you. Feel the warm air around you. Your body is heavy now. Your body is warm now. Your body is calm now. The day is far away. The worries are far away. They can wait until tomorrow. Right now, there is nothing to do. There is only this quiet moment. Only your slow breath. In and out. You are doing so well, my friend. You are calm. You are peaceful. You are safe. Feel how relaxed you are now. From your head to your feet, soft and heavy and still. This is rest. This is peace. Let it fill you slowly, gently. Breathe in the calm and breathe out the day. Now, my dear friend, let us say a few soft words together. Very quietly, just a whisper. No need to move. Say, breathe. I breathe slowly. Say, calm. I am calm. Say, soft. My body is soft. Say, rest. It is time to rest. Good. Very good. Your English is growing gently while you relax, just by listening. And now, a soft question before you drift away. How does your body feel now? Softer? Heavier? More calm? I hope so. You do not need to answer with words. Just feel it. Feel the calm in your body. Feel the slow breath. Feel how peaceful you are right now in this quiet moment. And now, it is time to let go. Our relaxation is over, but the calm stays with you. It stays in your body. It stays in your slow breath. Keep breathing slow, in and out. Let your body stay soft and heavy. If you are in bed, you can drift away to sleep now. That is good. Let sleep come. Do not fight it. Just let go. Thank you for relaxing with me tonight. It makes me so happy to be here with you. If this gentle time helped you rest, please subscribe and come back soon. I will be here with a soft voice and easy English whenever you need to relax. Good night now, my dear friend. Breathe slow, rest deep, let go, and sleep. Sleep well. Good night.